For a Washington State government facility, the challenge was not simply displaying more information. It was creating one manageable visual environment for every source the team relies on. They partnered with Avidex to design and install a new visualization system built around a nearly 24-foot planar direct-view LED wall. With a fine 1.5mm pixel pitch and more than 7 million pixels, the display creates one seamless, high-resolution canvas for detailed content. Behind the display, a VuWall content management system brings together operator workstations, applications, video streams, and other additional sources. The platform also gives operators the flexibility to route content, create layouts, and organize information around changing workflows. Working alongside Planar and VuWall, Avidex managed the engineering, installation, programming, testing, and commissioning to validate the completed system. The result is a scalable platform, backed by training and 3 years of Avidex 360 service premium support.